Now let us discuss about count and count index parameter in Terraform. First I will explain how to create subnets through Terraform, and then we will see the problem we face without count parameter and we can resolve the problem. Throughout my course, the pattern I teach is first I will discuss the concept and then we will do some practicals. Gradually I will apply all the concepts by the end of the course. So let's get started. Okay, let us discuss how to create AWS subnet through Terraform. First let's go to the console and then see what Terraform says to create subnet. It will ask us to select the VPC ID and the name for the subnet, availability zone, and then availability zone is not mandatory, but we can select. And then what is the CIDR block for that subnet? If I search here, let's go to the documentation. We'll follow this documentation to create AWS subnet. I have created one section 07. Here I copied provider.tf and I created subnet.tf. Let us do resource. Type is AWS underscore subnet. And then as per the architecture, I need 4 subnets, 2 public subnets and then 2 private subnets. Let us name it as public subnet 01. Okay. We need VPC ID. So for that, what we need to do is let us create VPC through the get the VPC ID through the output. Let's go here VPC and add output here. You know how to add already. Output VPC ID and then value is resource type dot resource name dot ID. Okay, let us apply this. Terraform apply auto approve. Okay, let us do Terraform apply. Provide S. Okay, copy this. And what we do now is maintain this VPC ID through terraform.tf vars and then variable file. You know this already. First create one variables.tf. Here declare one variable VPC ID type equal to string. Okay, you no need to provide default here. Create one terraform.tf vars. Here create VPC ID equal to whatever value you got here. Okay, and let us go to the syntax. VPC ID equal to var dot VPC ID and then CIDR block. Let us give 10.0.1.0/24. If you don't know about CIDR calculation, actually it is very important if you are working as a cloud engineer. I will provide the link to one of my video. There I discussed how to calculate CIDR for the subnet creation. Okay, and then so here we see there is availability zone as well. Let us check any argument for availability zone. Yeah, there is there availability zone. And then here give AP South 1A. After that name can be provided through the tags actually. Okay, we discussed anyhow locals. Let us use locals for this. locals, and then I will give public subnet 01 hyphen tags equal to name. Name is this one. Okay, simply refer local dot public subnet 01 tags. Okay, so now I will create one more resource, public subnet 02 and 2.0. Let us create this in 1B and copy this, create one more, public subnet 02. Okay, careful while doing copy and paste. Now let us apply this. Terraform plan. Okay, but first I need to do Terraform init. Terraform plan. Oh shit. We got it. Let us apply. Now let us check in the console. Yeah, we got public subnet 01, 02 and then 1A, 1B. So everything is good. If you see the tags also, we have given. Now, if you want to create 10 subnets, I need to duplicate this 10 times. That is not a good coding standard or scripting standard. So this is where count parameter will help us. Now let us see how to solve this problem with count parameter.